Do you want to know how you can clear the cache of Bing? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can clear the cache memory of Bing. So let's go ahead and locate Bing, hold Bing and tap on its settings. Now scroll down and click on Storage. You can see the cache over here. Now to delete the cache, go ahead and click Clear Cache. This way the cache memory will be cleared and your Bing and your phone will be more responsive and faster. Let me show once again guys how you can clear cache of Bing. Go ahead and locate Bing, tap on it, go to its settings, scroll down and then tap on Storage. Now to clear the cache, go ahead and click Clear Cache. As you can see, the cache has been cleared. This was a video on how you can clear the cache of Bing. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.